Now I'm ready to create keyframes for my logo. So I've got the logo selected, my key filter set to position only currently, and I'm on frame 0 in my timeline. So I know that I want my object to be at this location at the end of this little section here. I want it to take a couple seconds to get in there. So in fact, I'm going to move my time slider down to 2 seconds. And you see that's 0 minutes, 2 seconds is 0 frames. And I'll create a keyframe for the position at this point in time. To use set key mode, what you'll do is you'll go down here and activate the big button that says set key. And when that's on, you'll see the time slider here is in bright red. And the currently active viewport is also framed in red to tell you that you're in an animation mode. Okay, and then if I want to create a position key for the selected object at this point in time, I'll just click the big skeleton key button. Boom. And a keyframe is now created. And you'll see here I've got a red box here indicating that there's a keyframe for that object at that point in time. If I deselect the object, by the way, the keyframe does not appear. So the timeline will only show keyframes for the selected object or objects. I'll reselect it. I can go down to frame 0 at the beginning and grab my move tool, and I'll right click in the top view so I don't lose my selection, and then I'll just drag this over in X until it's out of the frame. And this is good that I have safe frames turned on in my camera view so I can know exactly when it's leaving the frame. I wouldn't want to do something like move this way over here, because then it would take an awfully long time to get there. And basically, this would all be just blank area. It'd be waiting for something to happen here. And then it would kind of zip in at the last few frames. So what I want to do here is I want to move this in so that it's just out of the frame on frame 0. Then I'll click the big skeleton key button again. And I've created a second keyframe for the position of that object. And then to view the results, I'll exit out of set key. And I'll right click on my camera viewport and press play. Good. So I've just created my very first animation using set key mode.